Hello, I'm Nathalie Saavedra Salazar, and I'm going to share about Unit 8. In that unit, we are going to work about competency-based assessment. To develop this topic, we have videos, we have some slides in that unit that I'm explain about some examples or definitions about what is this and how can be that kind of evaluation. Then we have some activities to develop some specific communicative skills. So in that part, we had writing and speaking skills. Then we had reading, maybe listening. So how we can develop those kind of abilities through the explanation, this kind of evaluation. So we have that this kind of evaluation is an evaluation way to evaluate, and it can help us to learn with the students to the importance to that kind of the innovation ways to evaluate and to guide the process to the students. So this kind of evaluation is near to the SGD number 4 and how that can to the learning and well, welcome to this course and this unit.